Today, I'll show you how to hide Instagram chats or messages without deleting them. First, open the Instagram app and go to your messages. Next, locate the chat you want to hide. Open the conversation. Then tap the person's name at the top of the screen to access their profile settings. Tap on the three dots. Here, look for the option labeled Restrict and tap on it. Restricting the person will limit their interactions with you, but they won't be notified. This action will also hide the chat from your main message inbox. If you want to unhide the conversation later, head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right. Then go to Settings and Privacy, and scroll to the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Tap on Restricted Accounts. Find the person you restricted, and tap on Restrict. When you return to your messages, you'll see the conversation restored in your inbox. And that's how you can hide and restore Instagram chats without deleting them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple and effective Instagram tips.